South Africa has a new law. Some might call it an updating of an old law, which basically gives the government the framework on how they can acquire private property from individuals, sometimes with no compensation. What do you take of this new law?
So the main thing to realize is, I believe that property rights and the guaranteed property rights in a country is part of the constitution. And in every country in this world where property rights has been taken from people, that country has started to become a third world country. Now, South Africa is definitely on its way to that, and I believe this could be the last nail in the coffin. So it's very important.
So let me come back to something you've said. You think South Africa is well on its way to becoming a third world country?
Yes, definitely. We can just look at a crime which affects us all. 27,000 murders a year. That is comparable to the third world countries in the world. South Africa is among the top 10 most dangerous countries in the world, and that's a fact. So definitely a third world country according to that. But there are still some very good people in South Africa, and we have a tremendous amount of potential, and that is the thing that we need to unlock.
Okay.